Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can create a new photo album on the iPhone 13 series running iOS 15. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Photos. Once you have opened up the Photos app, tap on the Albums tab at the bottom, and then tap on the Add button to create a new photo album. So in here, choose New Album, and in here give your album a name. So for example, I can say Outdoor, and then tap on Saved. And then in here you can select the photos to include in your album, and then tap on Done. Then tap on Done at the top. And now we have successfully created a new album, and we have added 4 photos in here. Now if you want to add more photos, just tap on the Add button to add more photos. If you want to remove some of the photos from the album, you can tap on Select, and then tap on Delete. Now don't choose Delete because that will delete your actual photos from the library. Just tap on Remove from Album. So by removing it from the albums, your photos still available in your library. And that's it. So that is how you can create a new photo album on the iPhone 13 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.